Everybody, what's up? Thanks for watching. This is the official Any Given Sunday Draft Lottery Selection Show. To my left is the man who is responsible for everything. He is appropriately dressed. He is known as the Commish, Shehzad.
Welcome to the 2013 Any Given Sunday Draft Lottery, and we're very excited for doing this draft lottery today. We've got 10 envelopes over here, randomly assigned team names in there, and each team name is going to have 2 tickets corresponding to the envelope, Abdul. So basically what that means is there's 20 total tickets, 10 total envelopes. Each envelope has 2 tickets assigned to it, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to go in descending order. We're going to go 10 through 1, and so if the Bears get drawn twice first, that means the Bears will then have the 10th pick.
10th overall pick. Awesome. Well, let me just get a few things out of the way. To Shehzad's left is Maya. She is going to be helping us out with drawing the tickets.